Okay, good day, guys. I think you've seen the first video. So this is the second video that will show you how you are going to trade. Okay. So one part of that first video was not showing clearly. That was because the SNET doesn't allow screen recording. Okay. But it's not hard. If you finish creating an account in XNES, you go to inside the app, you will see the account information. Just play around with it. You see everything you need. And then you have the login and the server. Then of course you know your password, that's the password you are going to use. So now let's now go to where we are going to do the trade. Okay, so in order to do the trade, we use this app. As I told you, we're going to use the MetaTrader 5 app. Okay, so let me show you guys the app again. This is the app. Okay, so we're going to use that app for the trade. So we click it. You know, I told you the first thing, you link it, you link the app. Okay, so if you come here, you see that I've already linked, I've already used the login, the server, and my password to log into this app by clicking on this plus sign that you see here, the plus sign. Okay, so I've done that in the first video. So now let's go straight. So my demo is already on. So if you look, this is where we trade. Are you seeing this place, trade? I can place a trade from here. But before that, we need to know which currency do we want, are you going to trade? You may find a lot of currency here. All you need to do, you can click on any currency you find here and delete them by using this a pencil. You select, or you just click delete, then you select delete. This is the only one remaining, that's why I could not delete. Now, if we want to put a new currency pair, let's say we are going to trade gold. Gold is SAUUSD. That is, we are trading gold against the dollar. So you click on it. Like once you click on it, it will not come appear again. It will disappear. Even if you search for it again, look at it. If you search for SAUUSD, you will not see it. It will tell you. You can see what is written here. That it said all available symbol are already added. So that is telling you this one is already there, so you don't need to worry about it. Then another currency pair we are going to trade, where we are going to be using the signal. Okay, let me show you that. So beside this, we're going to trade GBP, that's pounds USD. You can see this one came out because we've not searched for it before. So you click on it to disappear, it has entered. Then we may also ask you to search to trade Euro USD. So basically, any currency pair, you just type it. Like Euro will be US, Euro, EUR, USD. Okay, so you can see you type on it to just disappear. So now, if you go to the quote, you will see all of them. These are the three. So anyone I want to trade now, the one that normally give a lot of money is this SAUUSD. So we tap on it. Now, when you tap on it, look at the things you will see. You will see new order, chart, properties, and the rest. So if you want to see the chart, you click on the chart to show you the chart. This is what is currently happening in the market right now. This is the chart. You just see something going up and down. So you are not supposed to worry about the charts. I just want to show you how to place a trade. Now, when they say place a trade, they want you to click on buy or sell. So let's say I want to place a trade now. Maybe the signal will come and say buy SAUUSD. Once you hear buy, that means you are going to click on this side. This side is the buy. If you hear sell SAUUSD, click on this side. If you want to change the currency pair, what you need to do is just to click here and select the other one. Maybe you want GBP USD, click on that. Immediately it will change. Are you see where I'm clicking? Let me show you where I'm clicking to change it. Okay, because you know we've already searched for it, so this is where you click to change it. Okay, now your own is not to worry. What makes forex to take time for people to learn is because you know the technical aspect, but your own now is just to say buy or sell. Now these red lines you are seeing is when the thing is going down. The green is when it is what going up. Now red is sell, green is buy. Buy goes up, sell comes down. So if they say buy, what you need to do, that means they are saying that the currency is going to be going up like green. You click on this buy. So once you click on that buy, immediately it will buy because you are doing it from the chart. It will buy. Sometimes it will pop up something for you. Like it can pop up something to say, do you want to enable one click? You say yes. Once you enable that, immediately click buy. You will see. If you click on the trade, you see it's already buying. And you can see we're already making money. You see that? Now, but there's something again. Before you actually click on buy, you need to set what we call stop loss. So I want to stop this trade now. You click on it, hold it like this, and click close position. Once you click close position, it will now say close with loss. Because we're actually losing now. So, this is a demo, so you don't need to be scared. Okay. If it is real money, this is how it will be burning. So I close it. You will just hear that sound. So if we go now, before you buy anything, you need to set your lot size, because if you don't set your lot size, you will be losing a lot of money. So I advise that we that are beginners, we start with 0.01, 0.01, but with time, we're going to be using 0.02 and the rest, okay, when you practice, because the bigger the loss size, the more money you'll be losing or the more money you will gain. Okay, now let's say I want to sell for this market. I will go this loss size. Are you seeing this place? This is where you click. Don't worry about all this terminology, you don't need them. You only just to follow the instruction. So this place, this is where you set the lot size from the chart. Okay, so let's see that. So you come here, I want it to go up, so I press here. Okay, I can now set 0 point. I can type it actually. Okay, or I can just say plus, this plus 0.0. If I add it, you see it, you say 0.11, like that, 0.21. I can decrease it. Okay, so but we can type it. So let's type it. So let's say we're using 0.01. You see that that's our loss size. If you want to use 0.02, you type 0.02. Okay, then you click outside. So if I place a trade now, whether I'm buying or selling, you will see the speed will be higher than the other speed. So let's see. Let's click on, okay, this trade is going down. Let's click on sell this time. The trade has started. So let's see. Now see. So because I'm using 0.02, you see it's fast. If you are making money, you make it fast. If you are losing, you lose it fast. Understand? So 0.02. Let's check the one of 0. Let's just check here. Let me check 0. But I will show you. I will be telling you the lot size you use, because it depends on the money you have. So we can use 0.02. We can even use 0.05. Let me show you 0.05. So now if you want to stop this trade, you press it like this and click close position. Okay, if you click this close position now, the trade will stop. So that's how you close a trade. So you now know how to open a trade and close a trade. Now I want to show you how you can set your stop loss. Now you can also place a trade from this aspect called trade. Okay, we can also place we can also place a trade from this place. Okay, so let me place the trade from here so that you see it. Okay, I just want to place the trade so that you see it. I'm coming, just a moment. Okay, so now let's place a trade using another method. So we can actually place a trade from this place, the root trade, on your MetaTrader 5. Like you can click on this plus sign here. Now you can you can come here and type your lot size, because the lot size will tell you how much you're going to lose again. Okay, then we're using 0.01. With time, as we advance, you'll be testing, because this is a demo, you'll be testing different lot size and see. Okay, let's say I want to place a trade now. I can just place, maybe I want to use 0.05. Let's try that. Okay, then maybe the market is coming down, I click sell. It click done, it will be writing that. So we can go to the chart and see. Okay, so now from this chart, once you place a trade, the line will be showing. Can you see this line here? The line where you place that trade will be showing. Like if you look here, there is a line that is showing here. It's called sell. Okay, so what we do is you click on that line. Once you click on it, are you seeing what appeared? This thing will appear. This thing will appear, this menu. So this is where you set your stop loss and take profit. So you now, normally what will give you signal will give you your stop loss and your what, take profit. So you come over to that place and you click on stop loss. Now because this trade was a sell, the stop loss should be opposite of that trade I took. So this one is a sell now. That means I'm trying to say it's going to come down. So what if it goes against me? If it goes against me, how much am I ready to lose? So I will take this thing, this one. Can you see as I'm going up, are you seeing it's calculating the points? You see, is she showing you how much you are going to lose if the trade goes against you? Do you see that? No, normally we say don't take more than 20 pips. Okay, so 20 pips is going to be somewhere. It depends on you, so you just look at the amount you can lose in this trade. you know like if I know I can lose up to $4 or $5, I'll put it here. When I put it here, then I will now go to my take profit. I'll click on it. That means the trade is coming down because I click sell means it's going to come down. So if it's going to favor me, it's not going to be opposite. The stop is not going to be opposite my direction since I say it's sell. So I will now bring my take profit. I'll put it down. So I'll click on the take profit again. This is our stop loss. We've already fixed that one. Then let's go for our take profit. So you can see that one, take profit, that will come down. You you hold this place where they have this something like small circle. Okay. Now the profit is showing you your profit. Do you see that? It's showing that if the trade gets to this place, eh, just take my profit. But in our stop loss, what our stop loss is showing us is, you see, it's showing us that we're going to, our stop loss is showing 6 point something. So you cannot use $6 risk for $5. It doesn't make sense. You understand? So this one should be bigger. That's what it means. Okay. If you cannot drag it, what you need to do, you can change the time, because this time here you are seeing is, this time here is 5 minutes. We can change the time. Okay. If you want to change the time, it's easy. All you need to do is to tap empty space and you see another new time will come. Maybe you can put 30 minutes. Then you can now adjust whatever you want to adjust. But I think the smallest time is even better. Like I'm putting 1 minute there. That will be better safe for me. Okay, so let's do that again. We tap on that our cell. You see stop loss. We're going to place stop loss. Maybe here. I'm just using as an example. You will be seeing the amount you will lose if the trade goes against you. There, maybe our take profit, we click on the take profit to come, and that one will be in our direction. Yeah, we want to make a profit of about $7. Okay, if this were to be gold, this thing will be very high. So after you finish, you click on this blue line. It is already set. You click modify. So if anything happen, even if this thing shut down, you've already set amount you want to gain and amount you want to lose. So normally when we give you signal, we will give you the take profit and the what, we'll give you the stop loss. Okay, stop loss is the amount you want to lose if at all the trade goes against you. Then take profit is the amount you will gain if the trade go in your favor. Normally we can even adjust it anytime you want to adjust. If you go to trade, you can click on this place, this trade that is going on now. You can click on it. You know, you can actually click on this trade that is going on. Sometimes if the app is malfunctioning, you can just close it and open it. So when you click on it, you can say modify position. So they allow you to set your stop. You know, we've already set stop loss and take profit. This is what we set. Let's say we want to change the value. You see this one, stop loss here. Let me show you guys. This is where you put your stop loss. This one is where we put our take profit. Let me show you guys. Uh, if I delete this one now, this number, you see TP, take profit, SL, stop loss. So if we give you the value, you can actually type it here, maybe two, maybe 1.2536. Maybe here, I'm just typing something that is not making sense, 1.8 something something. So you will actually set your take profit and stop loss. Okay, when you finish, you can just click on modify. Okay, if it's not showing, it's not showing because I am typing something that is not making sense. Okay, if not, it will allow you to modify. If you want, if you have a lot of trade that is running, maybe I place another trade now. Look at this trade. Maybe I place a buy. You see, to place trade, I'm just clicking on this plus sign. You can see the plus sign I use. Okay, yeah, so you can place trade from there, or you can go to the chart. You can still go to the chart and place your trade. Okay, look at the chart. You can place your trade from here to, you can place from here. This is for buy, this one is for sell. So most time when the signal come, they will say buy XAU USD, GBP USD, EUR USD. So you first of all select the pair. They will give you the take profit, they'll give you the stop loss. What will determine your profit is your lot size. So you will choose your lot size, which I said you take 0.01 or 0.02. Some persons may take 0.05, like if I want to make more. Some other person may even take 0.1, because that if you take 0.1, it will be going fast. Okay, but you will make more money. Some people even use 1, but if your money that you have there is too small, if you use 1, you'll be losing fast or gaining fast. But you are going to be working with signal, so you now know how to put your stop loss, take profit, okay, which is very, very important. That's the main thing you need to learn. Then to close the trade, you just click on the trade and close. Let's say you have many trades that are running. Like here, we have 2 trades that is running now. We have 2 trades that are running. Like you can see these 2 trades that are running. This one. Okay, so if I want to close it at once, what do you do? What you need to do, just click on one and hold it like this. Once you hold this menu will come. You see bulk operation. You click on bulk operation and you see close all position. So that's how you close trade. So you close so that you don't allow the thing to, maybe you feel the money you have gotten is enough. Okay, you can close trade, because you may be waiting for it to hit the trade to hit your take profit. It may not hit it. It may even, the money you have made, it can even go against it and eat it. So when they say close trade now, or take profit, you understand, that means they want you to just close the trade, take profit. When you hear take profit, once you are saying on the signal house take profit, that means close that trade. Close all position mean close your trade, or close some position, maybe some, because we put many trade. Like I can just tap here and place a trade, maybe buy. I can tap here again, place another trade, maybe sell. All of them will be running and they will be taking money from you, maybe here buy. You see that once they say close some position, that means maybe those ones that have made profit, I want to close this. So I click here, I say close position. That one it will not allow you to close like that. That's, I'm closing some position, meaning close some of the trade that are running. So you guys, I'm going to, one-on-one, I'm going to explain all these things, because one-on-one, you guys will be calling me anywhere you are stuck. I'll answer the question. Okay, but these are just how you place the trade. Okay, we're going to give you signal, so you are going to practice with your demo. I still have one trade running. Let me close this. So we are going to practice with demo so that you can now know how to take trade. Okay, for now we are not doing analysis. So you can see all the trade we have taken. When you click on history, can you see? You'll be seeing some red, some blue. The blue one is the one you won, the red one is the one you lost. At the end of the day, you will see how much you have lost. Are you seeing it? Minus $4. That's why trading not be for small children. But we as business people, we are going to get signal and we use the signal to trade. So I want to practically test you with the signal to make sure that your signal is working before we go on. Okay. And before signal, we'll always be dropping the signal on the WhatsApp group. Okay. So that you guys will be on call. Anybody that is on WhatsApp that time can join and take the signal. Okay. But now what I want you to do is that we will be testing. We want to test. I will just give you anything. I'll say buy now, take profit, stop loss. You go set it yourself. Okay. So we'll do the practicals so that you know how this thing is be done. So for that question, you just call me and I'll explain. But this is basically how we take trade, okay, and make profit from it. Okay. So I'm going to stop here. So any other thing you can call me so that I can explain this to you. So anywhere you are stopped, if you want to deposit money, you want to withdraw. Okay. So, and again, I want to emphasize that this video is not a financial advice. Forex is risky, but we are taking calculated risk. So I will not be liable for any loss. As I always say, put an amount you can afford to lose. Okay. But be sure that good money will be made if you follow a good signal. So we are going to test it. Those people that will pay, they are the ones that will test. Those people that will not pay, we will need to remove it from the group. But we still have time. I just want you to go through these tutorials today and let us start practical one-on-one. You call me from anywhere in the world, then I'll be putting you through. But go through this video first, okay? Thank you.